Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both accounts are active and accessible. This prevents sign-in loops. Open Fitbit first and confirm device is syncing to the app. Once done, open Myfitnesspal and sign in. Make sure you granted health and activity permissions when prompted. You do this to allow data flow, not just display. If you haven't linked any third-party apps before, the permission dialogues establish what steps and what metrics, like steps and calories, can transfer. Now you perform the actual link inside Myfitnesspal, go to More, choose Apps and Devices, and find Fitbit. Tap Connect and follow the authorization flow. This is where you allow steps, exercise, and food calorie adjustments to pass between apps. Make sure to select which metrics to share, because that determines what updates automatically. Once authorized, trigger a manual sync in both apps so the first batch of data moves over. This avoids waiting for scheduled sync intervals. Finally, verify that your steps and workouts appear correctly in Myfitnesspal. Open Diary or Progress and compare numbers. If something's missing, first relink Fitbit from Myfitnesspal, then sign out and back in on both apps, and reboot the phone. These actions clear token or cache errors. Make sure you don't have multiple Fitbit accounts, and that both apps are up to date, because mismatched accounts or old versions are the usual culprits. If problems persist, repeat the link flow carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.